Today I'm going to share more with you about how we go about creating the videos that we make. It's important that you understand the level of detail and care that we go to, which allows us to represent your business in the most positive way possible. We keep our videos very focused. We start by determining the purpose of the video. What is it that you're looking to accomplish? Once we zero in on that, we keep your videos short and engaging, allowing your viewers to get the information they need as quickly as possible. We aim for a very high standard of visual quality. All of our videos are created in high definition and optimized for viewing on the internet as well as other formats. We make sure your viewers find value with what they're watching. They want to be taught and to have their questions answered. The greater the value to the viewer, the more likely they'll be to engage with you, as well as share the video with others. To learn more about how our custom video commercials can start helping your business increase its traffic, leads, and customers, just follow the directions on this screen.